My favorite thing about Mevotech, it's the people. We're fast-paced and highly collaborative, so you're consistently meeting and greeting new people while getting your hands into different areas of the business. So your opportunity to make an impact is phenomenal.
My team specifically is, I think, one of the best teams I've ever worked with. They are a fantastic group of people, hilarious, fun. We all share similar interests. We know how to work and help each other to support each other in all different facets of human resources and in what work we're doing. But we also know how to let loose, joke around with each other to make sure that we're all doing okay.
I just love being in this environment where everyone's immersed in automotive. When I'm talking to my teammates or when I'm asking them what they did over the weekend, it's always like Formula One racing or they're watching 4x4 hill climb. So I just love being surrounded by people that are car people.
The culture, I would say, at Mevotech is very inclusive. Anybody who comes through the door at Mevotech, everybody is welcome over here. Every day is challenging, and we overcome all those challenges together.
To be honest, there's a lot of favorite moments here working at Mevotech. One is the other day I took my friends to a service center. The parts the mechanics were ordering was actually a Mevotech branded parts. Mevotech is a new benchmark for the entire market, so that feels so great.
At Mevotech, the customer service team is number one in the industry, I would say. We work together as a team, we collaborate very well, we engage with our customers. That's what we are here for. We want to hear our team doing well because we are customer service. We are out there for our customers.
The opportunities to grow here at Mevotech are really endless. We have a variety of different training sessions that we put on, including Mevo University. And all of these are available online, in person, and even on the shop floor.
It is very exciting to work on solutions that you can actually patent. I have a patent going this week, actually, as we speak. It's an extremely exciting feeling having a patent in your name, that feeling that you've created something new that didn't exist before. It's an amazing feeling.
Mevotech's a great place to work. There's so many interesting things that you can do here. Everyone's coming up with new ideas. Innovation is at the forefront of all departments' minds. Everyone's putting all their minds together for how can we take Mevotech to the next level.